Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at a pair of trainers. We've not done a pair of trainers for a while, so it's always nice to go out and buy some. So these trainers are from uashoe.ru, and as you can see they come in the standard FedEx packaging. I won't turn it around because my name and address details are on the other side. Delivery timescales on these was around about about 10 days actually from the point of getting the QC photos, so really quite good. I'll leave in the description the website, which is uashoe.ru. I'll also leave a dhgate link. It won't be for trainers, but it'll just be my usual sports seller for football shirts, just so if you want to check them out. There'll also be other links to other sellers that I have used as well. Some of them I won't like are referral links, but by you signing up for a referral link, it just means that I get some extra points off when I go and buy these sort of items. It allows me to keep purchasing them. So yeah, we'll get this FedEx bag undone and we'll see if it's got the normal box under it. I'm not sure whether it has or not, in all honesty. This side feels like it has, but this side it feels like a normal shoebox. So yeah, let's get this FedEx bag open and take a look what's underneath. So I've taken the FedEx bag off, and as you can see it did have one of the brown boxes. I'll give you a first look at what these trainers are. These are a pair of Nikes. Don't know if I can get them out one-handed. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. This time I have been able to. So we have a standard Nike box. Oh, and there's the information of the trainers. Dunk Low Retros, UK 5.5. Obviously these are not for me. The lid has come undone underneath. All the information. I've got to say there's a strong smell of glue. So just take that paperwork out. I think that's the usual information that they supply, which it is actually. So I'll show this. So this is the website, uashoe.ru. You've got their WhatsApp, Instagram, and also a discount code. So if you use MatchuCx at the point of cashing out, you'll get $10 off your order. That can be off any shoes, not just these ones. All this information I will leave in the description. And here's the first look at the trainers. There we have it. What I'll do as always, we'll get these out and we'll have a look at each one individually. Okay, so we've got them out of the box. Do you know what? I really like these. I really do. You've got this Supreme tag on the front there. There's a flecked paint effect. Nike tag. Flipping it around, you've got the Nike at the back there embroidered in, and again the tick. Underneath, the grip all looks good on the left trainer. If we open it, I imagine, yeah, we've got the usual tissue paper that keeps the trainers in good condition. If I can get down there, keep it in focus, you can see your sizes. You've got a QR code there. Obviously the QR code won't take you to, they're not official trainers. It might take you to the website. I've actually checked. They do try and make these as legitimate as they can. Just seeing if I can pull the bottom up. It's got a nice bit of comfort in there actually. That's interesting. That's obviously to keep the trainers nice and bouncy. The heel feels nice and strong as well. What's up? Read. Okay, so there's the left trainer. Let's cut back and have a look at the right one. Okay, now we'll look at the right one. You do get an extra pair of laces if you want. Instead of the black that they come with, you've got a white pair. Again, that design is absolutely amazing. I love that. Stitching all looks absolutely perfect. Can't fault the grip again. So inside, as with the last one, we get the tissue paper, which just keeps it in good condition. There's no tag there actually. Did that one have one? Let me check. No. And we have again the size guide, UK 5.5. I do like the fact that that one's got SUP and this one Ream. The Nike SB. But these look absolutely lovely. Really, really nice pair of trainers. So there we have them. I say these are not for me, so I won't be trying them on. But I will leave in the description of this video the seller, which is uashoe.ru. There's a discount code of MatchuCx. If you use that at the point of checkout, you'll be able to save yourself $10 off any shoes on the website. It doesn't have to be these ones, although to be fair, if anybody didn't want these ones, I'd be surprised because these look absolutely lovely. So $10 at the point of checkout using MatchuCx. Details will be in the description for the seller. I'll also leave a dhgate link. I say it won't be for the a seller of trainers or anything, because I've only ever bought one pair of trainers off dhgate. Actually, that's for my lad. But I will leave a link to my usual football shirt seller. I'll also leave other links as well for some of the sites that I've used. So if there's any items on there you're interested in, it'll just give you the referral link, which then enables me to keep buying these sort of items. But as we look for the final time at these Supreme Night trainers, which I think are absolutely outstanding. Lovely, lovely, lovely. There we have it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.